Tonight it decided to rain, and it's kind of raining now. It just wanted to piss on my life right now. But with that being said, I couldn't use this engine because I really neglected it, and now the valves won't open or close. But I did steal the flywheel. The workbench. I didn't film the actual build or the repair, if you've noticed, because this camera was dead. So yeah, anyway, this is the flywheel that came off the Craftsman. Oh my god, who the fuck is calling me? But anyway, this is the flywheel that came off the Craftsman. I don't know if you could see that, but it's got hairline cracks. And it's got a crack up there by where the key would go. And then this is the key. So, it was firing, it just wasn't in time. But with the replaced flywheel and a good carb clean, that damn phone just won't quit ringing. It was ready to go. And you got to protect the merchandise. Oh my god, what a mess. So it's in the shop. I will clean it up and put her up for sale. Thanks for watching.